So we just got the great news that one of our yoga schools got approved. And looking back, we saw the timeline of how long that took to happen. The very first email from this experienced yoga teacher came in on May 30th at noonish. And we both just really loved this email.
Because for someone who has not tried to register a school, they seem to describe the process in amazing accuracy.
So they found us on YouTube. I have a student who has been trying to get me to lead a training for a couple of years. The Yoga Alliance process, as you know, is beyond cumbersome, turning an already challenging process of creating a curriculum into a nightmarish jigsaw puzzle of horror.
Yes, it is.
It is. I started my manual, but holy, it isn't at all the joyful experience I had hoped it would be. And so they had already watched all our videos. I replied to them, just, I already love you, basically.
You get it. You get it.
And, invited them to do a meeting. But they felt confident from watching enough of our YouTube videos that they didn't need it. And so here they are. They registered for the training on May 31st to use the ambassador training. And then what is really cool is today is June 15th, and here is their school. So I just looked up their school, Vallarta Breeze Yoga, and it's basically about 2 weeks later, and they have their registered school and they're ready to lead the training.
And so what you're not seeing is the plethora of emails back and forth to Yoga Alliance that happened between us and Yoga Alliance. And from inquiry about joining the Yoga Trainer Fast Track, so this person could lead their own 200-hour teacher training from the day of inquiry to the day that the school is actually approved and registered with Yoga Alliance was actually less than 2 weeks. We just checked in on it right now and it's already done. So
Yeah. Yay.
That's why it's called the Fast Track, the Yoga Trainer Fast Track, because we can make it happen fast.
So what is the wording? If you feel like registering a school is a nightmarish jigsaw puzzle of horror, we understand, you're not alone, and we can help you.